Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with an in-depth review of another chair that's part of the Deluna series. There's 3 different Deluna chairs, including the Titan, the Dione, and the Elara, which are behind me here, and you could check links in the descriptions if you want to learn about those, which again are part of the Deluna series. They're usually ready to ship pretty quickly. Not as many customizable options with these. There's only a few color choices and a few size options that you could look at and learn more about with the link in the description below, or by going to our website and looking at the product page. You'll see all of the custom options that are available at the time. Those custom options do change, but I'm going to go over some of the main features that are not really going to change so much in the future. First off, here we have a pretty modern looking fabric type that's kind of like a earthy kind of brown. You have these front facing and retractable hideaway cup holder, and this little thing here, it comes with a tray. So you can use this tray to put some food, glass of wine, whatever you want, your cell phone. So that comes with it. I'm going to just take it out of the way for now so it's not in the way. And on the other side, you have a wireless docking station. So if you put your smartphone there, it's going to charge without even having to plug it in, as long as your phone's pretty modern and it has that wireless charging capability. When you're not using this, you can hide them away and it looks a little cleaner. So it's got a pretty neat feature there. And I do want to also point out that it has a USB charging port here. I'm going to move the chair out a little bit to show you. So right here, there's a USB charging port. So if you want to charge your cell phone or your tablet, you can do so using the power coming from the chair itself. Now I'm going to go ahead and explain and demo how the remote works and show you the different seating positions. So on this remote, just like every remote, you have one main up and down button at the top. It's a rise and recline button. So you want to go ahead and use the rise feature to get it into the lifted position first. And once it's lifted all the way in the rise position, you're going to be able to fall into the chair instead of using your leg muscles to squat. So if you've got bad knees, or it hurts to squat in any way, for whatever reason, you can use the rise feature and kind of just fall back into it. And then you can start hitting the recline button. Or you can use the sit button, which is a pre-programmed seating position. You have 4 different pre-programmed seating positions, which I'll show you in just a moment. Now this is a 4-position or a zone 4 lift chair. So you have the ability to control a couple of things. Pretty much everything. It just doesn't have the twilight feature, which allows you to tilt back and get that blood flow from your leg. So there are other chairs that offer that. This one is a little bit limited in that regard, but everything else is there. So you have the ability to raise the backrest or lower it independently. So I'm going up and down on the the backrest, and that's controlled with the up and down button surrounding the backrest on the diagram. There's also an up and down button surrounding the footrest or leg rest. So if I want to lower the leg rest, you'll notice that my legs are going down, and it's pretty much an independent control now. It takes a little bit to get to the point where it's truly independent, because it does connect to the seat, which slides forward and back a little bit, so it makes it seem like the backrest is also moving, but it's not. Essentially, the leg rests are being independently controlled right now with the leg rest up and down button. Now, if I want to go into a sleep position or a TV position, which is ideal for watching TV, you can use these 2 programmed buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the TV mode. That just basically is a position that is ideal for watching TV. And it's going to have the leg rest slightly elevated and the backrest kind of halfway reclined. If I want to go to sleep, you hold the sleep button, and that's going to lower the feet a little bit and then take the backrest back a little bit more. And that's an ideal position for falling asleep. Now, if you want to pre-program your own seating position, it has a memory function, and you can change these 4 buttons to have 4 different profiles. If you want to go into the zero gravity mode, hold the ZG button, and you're feeling like you're kind of floating. It's a specific type of position that brings the seat up a little bit, and it has the back almost slightly on an incline, while the legs are slightly declined, or reclined rather. So you have the sit button, which is going to put you in a seated position. I don't need to demonstrate that, but I can articulate the headrest with the 2 buttons here that say head, And basically, you can see here, I'm bringing the motor up and the headrest is articulating forward and back. And then down here, we have the lumbar support. Now, you're not really going to be able to see it, but I'm raising the lumbar support up and out. So my C-curve in my lower back is being pronounced, and it's really helping me relieve some lower back pain that I personally experience after a long day of filming videos. So if you don't mind, I'm going to take a quick nap here because I'm just super comfortable and it's putting me to sleep. I'm just kidding. So, but really, truly, you can easily sleep in this chair. It's super comfortable. I love it. And if you want to learn more about it, just remember, you can call our non-commissioned sales experts. They're not pushy. They're not here to sell you the most expensive product. They just want to find a product that you're truly going to be happy with so that hopefully you can refer a friend to us and tell them about the excellent experience you had working with us and how much you love your lift chair. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.
Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or two max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.